just wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters don't always be nameless, give them no clout, I give them no power.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger. Yo, my BOK family, let's go. A Yeezy Day pickup. Yes, not even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna make this short and sweet because this is not one of my favorite shoes. And hey, I just want to bring y'all a video about some shoes. And hey, we here now. Yeezy Day was a let's say a bust. The app kept crashing. You couldn't get the turtle doves, and people got the turtle doves. They hit. I mean, it was a lot of stuff going on. They didn't really drop a lot like I thought they was gonna drop. They had some slides drop, some 700s, a couple things like that. But I did slide in there. Like y'all know, Yeezys is not my favorite shoe. This is not a shoe that I care about. They alright, you know. Sometimes they just a little bit too out of the box, which is coming from the person who never want to be in the box. But they just a little bit too out there, and just everybody got them. So he just flooded the market. He flooded the market, and no prices kind of like leveled off the drop to be any decent prices. They're going for higher than Jordans, and to tell you the truth, the colors kind of like there's nothing that really pops. You got some colors on the 700s, it's kind of pop, but nothing really pops. Nothing that you like, dang, that color is just cold. I got a bunch of fits to go with that. Nothing like that. Nothing that says summer. Nothing that just says, hey, this shoe popped. So, never been a fan of them, but I did pick them up just to bring y'all a video, just to get some different stuff in there, because I said I was going to continue to bring y'all different, and that's what I'm doing. These are the Yeezy 700s. Yes, 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 yes. 700s. Yes, this Yeezy Boost 700 analog comes in. They run kind of big. It's from what Yeezy they was saying. Like I said, I don't know too much about Yeezy. This is not one of the shoes that I even care about. I just wanted to see what was popping on Yeezy Day. Put the trigger on these and won. Will this be staying in my collection? I don't know. What I do like about this is the different panels. I wish I could have got the Yeezy 700 with the blue. I think it's the blue and orange, if I'm not mistaken. That's the only one I ever wanted. Like, or no, it's the sun kiss or sunburst or something like that. That's the one. Yellow up here. Forgot, it's like some other color right here, yellow, blue, whatever. But 700, that's the one I wanted. But I pulled the trigger on this analog. I think it's a dope color. But yeah, nothing I feel like I'm gonna be keeping in my collection. So if y'all go hit the link in the description to the eBay selling page, these will be up there. So but yeah, got a couple different pounds on it. From what I hear, they're comfortable. They got the boost in there. It's not as much boost as some of the other Yeezys, but as you can tell on the bottom, the boost is in there. I do like the subtle hint of the stripes in the inside of there, if y'all can see it. If not, I'll get y'all to see it on the B-roll. Bam. But yeah, this was a hit on Yeezy Day. This is a size 12. Like I said, I ain't gonna bore y'all going into details. It's a million videos up about these, so I just wanted to pull something, let y'all know what's going on. And hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, and make sure you share the video. Whatever you want to do, cut it up, clip it, whatever you want to do to it. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.